So this morning, before the market opens, or just as the market opens, Tyler alerts the stock for us, the ADVM, and he says $12. Over $12 is the entry. So which is in this level, and it traded up through, pulled back and held support. Gave us lots of opportunity to get in this stock here, and then it goes. And because we've got a dot here and a dot here, now don't forget this is all in the future. We're not looking at this, but we can see that if we can draw a trend line for this stock, because it touches here and here and here when it breaks out. So we take the trade, and we stay in this trade because we see that it's got this trend line. We just keep adding the trend line, adding it, and it holds it the whole way up. We can see it holds here, here, and here. Now, as it goes up, we scale the stock out, and eventually it gets up to the 1440 area, $2.40 above our entry. Fails. Now you would have been selling all the way up at the top of the channel here, top of the channel here. Then when it breaks over, it does come back and test support, so you could still be holding it here, part of your position. But when it rolled over and sold off, and then of course you would exit the trade. But you can see it's in a sense a low risk, low stress trade. Here's the entry. He calls it scale some out at 1275, next 13. Then he says final stop loss 1285, and then over 1350. Watch it trade it to 14 and 1415. Stop loss 1345, and move the stop loss to 1350. So in this trade, it did get up to 1438. I mean, within pennies of his call, or sorry, 20 cents more than he had called. But so we had good guidance the whole way up, and you just stay in the trade. There's no reason to be selling this stock as long as it stays in this channel. And so instead of making pennies, you make $2.40 a share.